Hi, welcome to Cobwebs and Quartz. I'm Jan, and this is day 19 of 24 days of tea. I can't believe how far we've come. I can't believe that I'm actually getting through this with you guys. That to me is huge. Usually I don't get to see all the teas. Usually I just say I'm way too busy, and I actually made this a priority. So it's been fun. It's been enjoyable, and it brings joy to my heart, which is what we all need, right? Let's take a peek. This here poor little advent calendar's falling apart on us. Day 19. Let's get into this. Mulled wine. It is an oolong tea, low caffeine, and it needs 4 to 5 minutes. Get this guy up. Hopefully the tree doesn't topple on us. Okay, let's get this into our trusty French press. If I immediately had to describe it, it reminds me of the color purple. I don't know. Oh, that smells good. Looks like there's some orange peel in there. Of course you have the oolong, so I'm excited to see if that opens up. A lot of orange pieces it looks like, actually. While we let that brew, let's have a little bit of a chat. I know yesterday we chatted about toys of my childhood that I loved and adored. And as an adult, I think you start looking at other things other than just materialistic things. And you look at charities and, you know, the different work that you like to do and stuff like that. So I thought we'd have a quick chat about charities. Now, my wife is very much, what's that word? A philanthropist?
Philanthropist. P-H.
That. She is definitely that. And I have always liked, you know, supporting the kitties, and she is huge supporter of the cats. And there's this local cat charity that we just absolutely adore. It's called Wayward Cat Society. I am sure that wherever you are, you can find a charity to support, and if you can't support them financially, I'm sure that they would love your helping hand or anything that you can do, or even just spreading the word and telling a friend or somebody about it. For us in our household, it is definitely Wayward Cat Society. They are so good, and they really fundraise. They're a TNR organization, so trap, neuter, release. So they actually go and they trap the feral cats, or the cats that are living outside, and they neuter or spay them. And then if they're not the type of cat that could be rehomed, because some of them have never known any other life than the outdoor wildlife, then they go back to the street and they are assigned, like, somebody's going to look after them. That's how I understand that it works. They also like identify with like clipping of their ear a little bit. I think they like, maybe I'll double check that and let you know. And then that way people know that those cats have been spayed or neutered. And I would definitely say that our community does not really have a massive cat issue because of a society like this. I would love to hear if there is a special organization in your heart that you just love. So please let me know down below. All right, I think it's time to try this. Oh, it looks like it's definitely expanded. There is some orange pieces in there that poofed right up. Poofed right up. Oh, and you can see some of the oolong leaves. Very nice. All right, let's try this. Mulled wine. I don't like the smell of it. It reminds me of a public restroom. Bottoms up. Oh, I don't know. It tastes better than it smells. Let's try again. I don't even know. It's very zesty. Can it be zesty but not citrusy? It's very, it almost makes your tongue numb. Okay, I really need some help with this one. If you've tried this one before, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think and how you would describe this. I hope maybe it doesn't taste or smell like a public restroom to you. As I say that, I keep drinking it. Nope, not getting any better. I would give this one a 3. It's definitely bottom of the barrel for me. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I hope to see you here tomorrow. Take care. Ugh. My tongue is completely numb.